Hello, hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower tip. I didn't done one for quite some time, and I have to use my rainbow colors. So I decided to do a reverse flower tip, but for those who know me, you know that I normally do one layer of my pearl white with other color just to create lacing, but this time I will not add pearl white between every color. I will first pour my black, oxide black by Amsterdam base coat. I normally just spread it around a little bit and then tilt it till the excess paint off, because for reverse flower tips it's important to have nice even layer, because I will pour my paint over the flower shaped 3D printed cup from Paint store. This one has 9 petals. You can use bottle bottom, you can use other cups. I like this one from paintstore.com. If you like it too, you have a discount code in the description box of the video, and you will get 15% off. And when I will tilt, I will just go a little off camera because I will tilt back into my cup. Okay, so my base coat is down. I already put my flower shaped cup in the middle of the canvas, and I will start with my pearl white mixture. It's a mixture of Vallejo pearl medium, titanium white by Amsterdam, and my pouring medium. I have quite some videos about mixing paints for this technique. You are welcome to check. And this is ultramarine violet with permanent blue violet from Amsterdam. And this one is Windsor blue by Winsor and Newton. And I have cyan blue by Amsterdam. And I'm just debating. I will add some pearl white again. Pearl white will create hopefully some nice lacing. And then brilliant green by Amsterdam, and permanent yellow, primary yellow, sorry, by Amsterdam, and Winsor and Newton cadmium orange hue. And the last one will be magenta by Vallejo. And now I will repeat the whole process. I will just turn it around because I maybe don't pour quite in the middle. now it's looking good. And now I will grab my paper napkin, just a regular napkin, and I will spray it with water a little bit to soften it up. This is my preference. You can use dry one, you can use plastic. It's your choice, but I prefer damp paper napkins. And it's nice if you have your napkins slightly bigger than your canvas, because it's easier for the second part where you lift your paper napkin to create some nice effects and hopefully some nicely looking flower. And I am just lifting towards the middle, first corners, 4, and now I will try to connect this 4 as nice as I can, and I don't lift my napkin yet, just as much as I should, and grab those and straight up. Not a perfect job, but as I say a lot of the times in my videos, nothing is nature is perfect, so neither the flowers. I did pull quite some paint off here and not as much here, so obviously there was my kind of little imperfection with napkin. So I will just smooth this out a little bit. Paint will mostly level out, but in the middle there is quite some paint with the reverse flower tips, and I just want to, you know, help a little bit with smoothing this out with the palette knife. And of course at this point you can spin it out too, but I believe that I will leave this one as it is. I will torch it and maybe one little spin, I will see. You see, this part is a little, I dragged my napkin a little too much here. Maybe a little bit better torch. Okay, I will call it done, because I can't do much about this. So obviously when I lift, in my lifting process, I dragged through here a little too much with my napkin. Okay, so let me take you down for a close-up. Here you have it. I will say that I like it because I see all the colors and the shape is okay without this part, but as I said, nothing is perfect. And I have just enough lacing, and I like that I added pearl white at the end too, to have this white center too, so I will say that it's beautiful. This was it for today. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!